Traditional methods are time-consuming, costly and only temporary. The expander system offers a permanent solution that is much easier and much smarter. After greasing the axle and checking the condition of the lugs, the axle is positioned in the lugs. Next step is to grease the sleeves and mount them in the lugs. The dry fastening element and the washer is mounted on both sides and the position of the expander system is checked. The fastening elements are tightened and torqued according to the installation instruction. The final step in installing the expander system is torquing it. Start the equipment and run it through its full motion range several times and retorque the expander system. Retorquing is then performed after 1 hour, 1 working day and after 1 week till the sleeves are full settled. The traditional method to repair a worn pivot is with line boring and welding. The whole line boring and welding procedure normally takes about a day and causes production stops and huge financial losses. Despite all efforts and good workmanship, the repair of the lugs is only temporary.